We all know that feeling. Working long hours, checking off tasks, but at the end of the week, feeling like nothing really got done. सबको पता है, ऐसा लगता है कि काम तो हो रहा है लेकिन प्रोग्रेस नहीं दिख रही. And that's the frustrating part, right? You are putting in the time, you are putting in the effort, but you are just not moving the needle. If I told you that in just 1 week you could achieve more than what most people do in an entire year, I'm not talking about pulling all-nighters or sacrificing all sanity to hustle 24/7. No, this is about working smarter with more focus and more intention. ज़्यादा काम करना काम नहीं आता जब तक तुम सही काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. See, most people have the wrong approach. They wake up and dive into the day with no real plan. And what's the first thing we do? We check our phones, answer emails, or scroll through Instagram, right? That's the problem right there. When you start your day reacting to everything around you, you are letting the world control your time instead of taking control of it yourself. अगर तुम अपने दिन की शुरुआत किसी और के एजेंडा के साथ करोगे ना, दिन का पूरा बैलेंस ही खराब हो जाता है. Here is what I want you to do instead. Start your day with intention. I'm not asking you to overhaul your life. Just start small. Maybe it's 10 minutes of journaling, or a quick workout, or simply planning out your priorities for the day. Whatever it is, you need to hook that one thing that gets you in control of your time, because the chaos begins. जिस तरह से तुम दिन की शुरुआत करते हो वही तुम्हारा पूरा दिन डिसाइड करता है. We are conditioned to think that if we are always doing something, we are making progress. But here is the harsh truth. Being busy doesn't mean you are being productive. It just means you are keeping yourself occupied. बहुत काम करने का मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम सही काम कर रहे हो. You need to ask yourself, are you focusing on the things that actually matter? Or are you just filling your day with random tasks to feel productive? Take a step back, look at your to-do list and ask, क्या ये tasks मेरे लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स को आगे ले जा रहा है या सिर्फ दिन निकालने के लिए है? If the answer is no, then it's busy work. And here is the thing, when you start cutting out the noise, when you focus on fewer but more meaningful tasks, that's when you start seeing real progress. That's when you stop feeling overwhelmed by a never-ending list of things to do. And instead, you start seeing the result of your effort. Now, distractions. This is a big one. We live in a world full of distractions. Our phone buzz every 5 minutes with notification. Email come in. Social media pulls us in 100 directions. And before you know it, half the day is gone. And you have not done anything meaningful. Distractions को हटाओ, focus पर काम करो. What if for just 2 hours a day, you turned off your phone, closed all unnecessary tabs and focused on just one task? That's it. 2 hours of deep, focused work. You had be amazed at how much you can get done when you remove distractions. It sounds simple, but the truth is, most of us are afraid to cut out distractions. We are so used to multitasking that we forget how to focus on one thing at a time. But let me tell you, जब तुम distractions हटाकर सिर्फ एक चीज पर फोकस करते हो, तब प्रोडक्टिविटी अपने आप बढ़ जाती है. And I promise, the sense of accomplishment you will feel after just 2 hours of undisturbed work will change the way you approach your entire day. Now here is the something important. Consistency. Everyone can have a productive day here and there, but the real game changer is showing up every single day, even on the days when you don't feel like it. And that's the secret. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. वो दिन जब मन नहीं करता, वही दिन सबसे जरूरी होते हैं. You see, productivity is like building a muscle. It's not about how hard you work on one day, but how consistently you show up over time. There will be days when you crush it, when you are in flow, when everything just clicks. And then there will be days when nothing goes right, when you don't feel like doing anything. That's okay. The key is to keep showing up even on those tough days, because that's what builds momentum. दिन छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता, वो आपकी कंसिस्टेंसी बनाता है. The next part is critical. Don't be too hard on yourself. We all have mess up. We all have bad days. We all have moments where we get distracted or procrastinate, and that's fine. The trick is to reflect on what's working and what's not, and then course correct. Every day is a new opportunity to make adjustments. गलतियां होती हैं, पर उससे सीखना सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी होता है. Think of it like this. Your productivity is not defined by a single day or a single week. It's about the long game. It's about reflecting, adjusting, and constantly improving. कल गलती हुई तो क्या, आज उस गलती को ठीक करने का एक और मौका है. This mindset shift alone will make you realize that productivity is not just about getting things done. It's about learning from the process and evolving. When you apply these principles, starting with intention, focusing on fewer but impactful tasks, eliminating distractions consistently, you will start seeing results you never thought were possible. In just 1 week, you will get more done than most people do in months. And more importantly, you will feel in control of your time, your energy, and your goals. So, here is what I want you to do. Look at the week ahead. Plan it with intention. Cut out the busy work and focus on the tasks that truly matters. अगर डिस्ट्रैक्शन को हटा के सही चीजों पर फोकस करोगे, तो तुम अपने प्रोडक्टिविटी का असली पोटेंशियल देखोगे. At the end of the week, take a moment to reflect. What worked, what didn't, and how can you improve for the next week? That's how you grow. That's how you keep moving forward. And that's how you achieve more in 1 week than most people do in an entire year. It's not about how much time you have, it's about how you use it.